Good morning, students. In previous class we have learnt division. Yes, understanding division. Now we have seen that division means sharing equally. Yes, sharing equally. Now we can also use division to find how many groups are there. Okay, for example, here 12 chocolates are there. Okay, 12 chocolates are there. I want to make packets of these chocolates. In each packet I want to keep 4 chocolates. In each packet I want to keep 4 chocolates. How many packets will I get? Let's see. Look here, children. First, from 12 chocolates I am taking 4 chocolates and preparing one packet. Okay, this is first pocket. Okay, from 12 chocolates I am subtracting these 4 chocolates, then I will remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chocolates are remained. So now I am again subtracting 4 chocolates from these 8 chocolates. Okay, I am again subtracting 4 chocolates from these 8 chocolates. Then here again 4 chocolates are left. Okay, this is second packet. Okay, second group. Next again I am subtracting 4 chocolates from the total number of chocolates. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 chocolates are left, and this is the third packet. Means here for 12 chocolates we are preparing 3 packets with equal number of chocolates. This is division. Okay, here look here, children. 12 put into equal groups of 4 each. Means we put 12 chocolates into 3 groups. Okay, in each group we got 4 chocolates. Okay, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. This is the division symbol. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Let's see one more example. You have total 15 books. Okay, you want to put 5 books in one bag. How many bags will you need? Now here 5 books are there. I am keeping these 5 books in one bag. Okay, this is first bag. Next again 5 books. I am keeping these 5 books in second bag. Next again 5 books. How many bags we need to keep all these 15 books? Yes, 3 bags. Number of bags are 3. Therefore 15 divided by 5. 15 books are divided into 5 each group. Okay, total number of groups are 3. Okay, like this. Okay, look here, children. Division as repeated subtraction. We can do division by repeating subtraction. Okay, 12 chocolate sweets are there. Into we have to make 4 chocolates in each group. Okay, this is the number line. From that we are subtracting 4. Total 12 are there. From that 12 minus 4. 1 2 3 4. That is we got 8. Next again subtracting 4. 1 2 3 4. We got again 4. Next subtracting we got 0. Here 4 can be repeatedly subtracted. 4 is subtracted repeatedly again and again from 12. How many times it is subtracted? 1 2 3. So 3 times. So 3 groups. Okay, we can say that division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Okay, 3 fours make 12. 3 4 groups. 3 groups of 4 chocolates make 12. Okay, now I will explain this bit. Subtract repeatedly to get the division fact. Look at a question. 20 divided by 5. We have to do this division by repeated subtraction. Okay, now 20 minus 5. Okay, from 0 we cannot cut 5, so we'll take borrow. Then it will be 10. This 2 will become 1. 10 minus 5 is 5, and this 1 will be written here. Now again we have to subtract 5 from these 15. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0 and 1 will be written here. Okay, we have to subtract 5 from these numbers up to till we get 0. Okay, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Now again subtract 5. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0. Here we got 0. Okay, here look here children, how many times we have subtracted 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we have subtracted 5 from these 20 to get 0. So here the answer is 4. Means we are preparing 4 groups. Okay, now I will explain one more example. For example, 12 divided by 4 is there. 12 divided by 4 is there. So we'll write like this: 12 minus 4. From 2 we cannot subtract 4, so we'll take borrow. It will be 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, now we have to subtract again 4 from this 8 till we get 0. Okay, 8 minus 4 is 4. From this 4 again we have to subtract 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Here we got 0. So now we have to calculate how many times we have subtracted 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we have subtracted 4 from 12 to get 0. So 3 is the answer. Okay, 3 is the answer. This is division as repeated subtraction. Okay, look here children. Here first 20 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we have subtracted. So we will get answer 4. Okay, now look this. 21 minus 7 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Means how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So the answer is 3. Now let us do this problem. 24 minus 6. Okay, from 4 we cannot subtract 6. So we'll take borrow. It will be 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And here this 2 will become 1. So we'll get here 1. 18. From 18 we have to subtract again 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. And this 1 will be written here. Now again we have to subtract 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. And again we have to subtract 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We got 0. Up to here we have to stop the problem. Now count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times we have subtracted 6 from 24 to get 0? 4 times. So the answer is 4. Okay. Now use repeated subtraction to divide. You have to do these 4 problems in your Phanos. This is your homework. Okay, do these problems in this method. Okay, repeated subtraction. Okay, look here children, textbook page number 140. How many 5s are there in 25? Okay, from 25 subtract 5, then you will get the answer. Otherwise in 5 table when we get 25, yes, 5 5s are 25. So there are 5 5s in 25. Okay, how many 8s are there in 16? In 8 table when we get 16, yes, 8 2s are 16. So 2 8s are there. Do this too. Okay, C and D is homework for you. Now I will explain this. In this A1 I will explain. You have to do B and C. Divide with the help of number line. You have to divide this 15 divided by 3 by the help of number line. First look at this. What is the number here? 15. Here it is 15. From that subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. we got 12. Again subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. We got 9. Again subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. We got 6. Again subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. We got 3. Again subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. We got 0. How many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So the answer is 5. Okay. Do this B and C. Here in this bit you have to do B and C. Here C and D. In second bit you have to do total. Okay. Do all these in your fair notes. Complete up to here in your fair notes. Okay. Thank you.